So today I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your OnePlus 15. So go to settings. Under settings, you want to go to security and privacy, tap on that. And then under security and privacy, scroll down to the hide apps option. Tap on that. And then before you can hide apps, you need to set this up first. So tap on get started, and then you need a privacy password. Okay. So if you tap on settings, you can actually set a privacy password, which is a 6-digit password. Or if you want a different type of password, you can just tap here and then choose whether you want a 4-digit passcode or PIN or 6-digit password. You can have 4 to 16 digits. You can even have a pattern or an alphanumeric password, depending on what you want. Now for me, I'm gonna go for pattern. Okay, so I'm gonna use that pattern as my privacy password. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and set up a recovery email so that if you forget your privacy password, you can actually go through that recovery email and use it to reset your privacy password. So I'm going to enter my recovery email. And once you enter it, it's going to take you back to this page where you can now tap on get started again. And that's it. So now you're basically setting how you access your hidden apps. You can choose this one to create an access code, or you can have a home screen folder for your hidden apps, which is not very hidden. So for me, I prefer to use the access code. So let's go ahead and set up an access code. And that access code is going to be anywhere between 1 and 16 digits, but it has to start with a hash and end with a hash. So for me, I'm going to select hash 000 hash. Okay, and then tap on done. So that's the code I'm going to be using to access hidden apps. So once you're done, just tap on done, and now you can choose some apps to hide. So for instance, let's hide the Call of Duty app. Okay, so let's say you want to completely hide this app. You can choose to only hide it from the home screen, or you can completely hide the app. So I'm going to choose completely hide and tap on done. So with that app hidden, you can see it says completely hide this app. That's already chosen. Now when I go to my home screen and my app screen, I'll not find that app, even though I know it's installed. Okay, I can even search for it and it's nowhere to be found. Now to access that hidden app, I simply go to my dialer and type my access code, which is hash 000 hash, and that opens up the hidden apps folder, and I can access my hidden app from here. So that is basically how to hide apps on your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.